Welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a 2025 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid Trailhunter finished in white. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, we have tons of lighting for that trail hunting experience. Got the rigid fog lights down here, parking sensors, as well as our block heater, and tow hooks, as well as our skid plate underneath. Coming along to the side of the Tacoma here, we've got 18-inch bronze finished Trailhunter alloy wheels, as well as our hybrid badging there, and our snorkel for any deep water, as well as our roof rack there. Trailhunter badge there with the rock guards below. We've also got blind spot monitoring in both side view mirrors. Coming around to the back here, we've got our ARB Sport Bar. And at the back of the Tacoma here, we've got two tow hooks on either side, a steel and reinforced ARB bumper. We've also got our backup camera there, trailer hitch control, trailer hitch, as well as a soft opening truck bed. Just press the button, comes on down for you. Also has soft closing, so just give it a little tug and right back up it goes. Now coming along to the engine bay, we have a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbo hybrid I-Force Max engine, delivering 326 horsepower and 465 feet-pound of torque, delivered by an 8-speed automatic transmission. As for the interior of the Trailhunter, we've got a ton of space here in both of our door pockets, as well as our Trailhunter badging and this yellow stitching accented throughout. We get gray leather seats, more of that yellow stitching in there, as well as our powered seat controls, all-weather mats. Here we've got our traction control truck bed as well as all of our auxiliary options. Now coming on in here, we've got our trailer controls, push button start, all of our hands-free audio controls on this side, all of our driving assists on this side. We also get this massive touchscreen 14-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as our heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated seats for both of the front occupants, independent climate control for both sides, as well as more of that marbled accents, 2 USB-C charging ports, a wireless phone charger, as well as our electronic parking brake, front view camera, and driving modes. We've also got all of our cabin lighting controls, sunshade controls, and our SOS button, with our garage door opener built directly into the rearview mirror. We've also got JBL speakers throughout the whole truck. And coming on into the back, got more of that gray seating with the yellow accents, 2 USB-C charging ports and an AC 120-volt adapter. And behind here, we've got our JBL subwoofer. Thank you for checking out the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid Trailhunter. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.